Spanning the globe to bring you the constant variety of stuff, the thrill of victory, and the agony of defeat. The human drama of messing around with stuff. This is Casa de McBride Chronicles.
Well, everybody, welcome back to the show. We're going to see what Andy has to say in just a minute.
I have really enjoyed this cheap-ass Chinese mini lathe. Sure, I have made a mistake or two along the way, but I have gotten better at it and made a few things for Casa de McBride.
So this will be all about
Trying to redeem myself and sharpen my wood lathe abilities.
We interrupt this program to bring you a very random thought from Andy.
Son of a...
Not sure if I have used this thing too much, or it is just another glorious sign of the lack of quality control in China. But the power button is no more. I guess I need to take a break and look at fixing it.
Oh, snap!
I forgot all about this one I already started making. I will finish this up, then finish up fixing the Chinese lathe. Oh, and FYI, this whole scene was recorded with my brand new phone and a stand I made for a camera thanks to Dale's workshop. Hey, thanks you magnificent pastor. This may not be a museum piece, but I am very pleased. And it is a lot better than the joke my first screwdriver was. And while we wait for a new switch, late one night I had an idea that could not wait. So I hastily spliced a few wires, and just like that, the lathe was up and running again. Oh, and I forgot. I made these little screwdrivers for really tight spaces. Anyways, I made this totally rad fork to add to my eating utensil set here at Casa de McBride. And let's not forget to even use the spare pieces for other things like this butter dish. Just a little rant. Who in the wide world of sports designs a freaking glass butter dish without a handle? Whoever it was must have been a red-bellied commie. I have been having so much fun with this lathe that I've broadened my horizons and started playing around with plastic. Let's make a plastic handle for this wrench I found. But first, I need to persuade it back to being straight. Oswego in the house! Correction, let's not make a plastic handle for this wrench. I want to keep the classic look for it, so I will just use wood. And with that done, Bob is your effing uncle.
Woohoo! Making dreams come true!
There is no official ending to this video. I just wanted to make it because I had a bunch of footage and I really like editing. Go ahead, call me a nerd. I am so cool in the gang with it. In all, this little lathe has broadened my woodworking skills. But I am no expert. I have a ton more to learn, but I have to admit, it is pretty cool even though.
Will Andy ever stop getting random tools that have less than 1% of ever being used? Will he ever not drink a cup of coffee while he's working on something? Will he ever answer the question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Will he take an afternoon nap? Tune in for another thrilling episode of the Casa de McBride Chronicles to find out more.
Hey kids, thanks for watching and for all that's right with the world. Click thumbs up or thumbs down if you are a bitter person because you still live in your parents' basement. Laugh in.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andy has left the building. Good night.
He will always be the king no matter what.